What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Colin Makubele, the newly appointed MK Party Chief Whip, she launched a fierce critique against Minister Solima Lazi in the Department of Communications and Digital Technologies. So, she was accusing, the department of pushing policy changes without any transparency, failure to conduct a regulatory impact assessment, and excluding stakeholders from critical decisions. So, what was central to Colin Makubele's criticism was the allegation that the minister is favoring multinational corporations like Starlink at the expense of 490 historically disadvantaged local license holders. So the big issue that is there, is these allegations that there is an attempt to bypass, the 30% BEE equity requirement. So Colin Makubele is saying this is undermining economic transformation and leaving local players without adequate support. So this argument, now let us look at it from Colin Makubele. It is rooted, in real policy concerns and is highlighting, long-standing frustrations with the department's performance. So whilst he claims, about foreign interference and disastrous overmeeting, it kind of lacks clear evidence. He brought a critique of governance failures, regulatory shortcuts, and the marginalization of local businesses is largely valid. So she is effectively exposes, systematic weaknesses in the ministry's operations. Now, my verdict is that Makubele's takedown, is largely justified, revealing serious concerns about transparency, transformation, and the sidelining of local interest. So this is my view, to say that Colin Makubele is kind of right in what she is saying in her criticism. I'll catch you guys on the next one.